Welcome to a captivating and immersive journey through the Ice Age, a mesmerizing epoch that spanned approximately 2.6 million years and indelibly imprinted its mark on our planet. This era, characterized by recurring cycles of cold, glacial periods punctuated by warmer interglacial intervals, witnessed Earth's climate shifting due to variations in the planet's orbit, tilt, and wobble, resulting in fluctuations in sunlight and consequently reshaping the world. To truly appreciate the Ice Age, let's transport ourselves back in time and envision standing on what would eventually become Northern Europe, North America, or Siberia. The horizon stretches out before you, unbroken by anything but a colossal wall of ice that vanishes into the distance. Despite the frigid temperatures, the landscape is far from barren. Woolly mammoths, with their shaggy coats and curved tusks, graze on the tundra. Ground sloths, massive creatures resembling bears but with elongated arms, amble through the forests. Saber-toothed cats prowl the icy plains, their fearsome fangs gleaming in the dim light. Early humans, our distant ancestors, inhabit distinct regions, adapting to survive in this harsh climate. The Ice Age was not a frozen wasteland, but a world where life adapted, moved, and endured. Scientists have meticulously pieced together the story from clues hidden in ice cores, revealing that the Ice Age didn't arrive all at once. Instead, it advanced slowly, with glaciers creeping forward, then retreating, then advancing again. As the ice grew, it reshaped the land beneath it, carving mountains and pushing enormous boulders across the landscape. Oceans dropped by more than 100 meters as water became locked up in the ice sheets. As a result, their continents grew larger. Asia and North America were connected by a land bridge called Beringia, allowing humans and animals to migrate between continents and spreading life across the globe. The cold itself was not constant. Even at the height of the Ice Age, the Earth was not locked in a single unchanging freeze. It breathed. Over tens of thousands of years, the temperature rose and fell like a slow tide. This rhythm was driven by cycles called the Milankovitch cycles, which are variations in Earth's orbit, tilt, and wobble. The Earth's axis of rotation tilts at an angle of 23.5 degrees, but this tilt changes slightly over time due to gravitational forces exerted by the Moon and Sun. This wobble, known as precession, takes approximately 26,000 years to complete one cycle, and it affects the Earth's tilt and, consequently, the amount of sunlight received by different parts of the planet. The eccentricity of Earth's orbit, which describes the shape of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, also changes over time. At its closest approach to the Sun, the Earth is about 91 million miles away, while at its farthest, it is about 94.5 million miles away. This difference in distance affects the Earth's receipt of sunlight and, consequently, its temperature. The combination of these three cycles, known as the Milankovitch cycles, causes the Earth's climate to change over time, with periods of glaciation and warming. During the Ice Age, the Earth's climate oscillated between these two states, with glaciers growing and retreating in response to these changes. To truly comprehend the Earth we live on today, we must journey back into that frozen world. To watch the ice move and the great animals roam, and to remember that the world has been many things before it became what it is now. Now, let's delve deeper into the science behind the Ice Age. The glaciers themselves served as silent witnesses to these swings. Every layer of ice encapsulates tiny bubbles of ancient air, trapped as snow fell and was compressed year after year. When scientists drill deep into these layers, they can see the planet breathing. They find the fingerprints of every advance and retreat, every sharp drop or sudden rise in temperature. In that frozen archive, the history of the Ice Age is still waiting. Stacked one winter atop another, it's a library of deep time. This was the breath of the Ice Age, slow, steady, and powerful enough to shape continents. It was not a single long freeze or a single thaw, but a vast and patient cycle, one that pushed life to its limits and then pulled it back again. In that long back and forth, animals evolved, humans adapted, and the Earth became the world we still recognize, even though so much of it has vanished beneath the warmth of the present day. Yet the story of the Ice Age is not only about cold and warmth, it's about the living world that took shape in that frozen light. Beneath the endless cold and the sweeping plains of ice, life endured. It didn't merely wait for the warmth to return. It adapted, evolved, and carved out a place for itself in one of the harshest environments the Earth has ever known. The Ice Age also had a profound impact on the planet's ecosystems. As the ice sheets advanced, they created habitats for some species while eliminating others. For instance, the advance of the Laurentide ice sheet in North America caused the extinction of many species, while the retreat of the glaciers allowed for the expansion of forests and the emergence of new ecosystems. The Ice Age also played a role in the evolution of species, as animals adapted to survive in the harsh climate. For example, the woolly mammoth evolved thick fur, a long trunk for reaching vegetation beneath the snow, and smaller ears to minimize heat loss. The Ice Age also had a significant impact on human history. Early humans had to adapt to survive in this harsh climate, developing new tools, technologies, and social structures. For instance, the Clovis culture, which emerged during the last Ice Age, is known for its distinctive stone tools, which were used for hunting large game. The Ice Age also played a role in human migration, as populations moved in search of food and shelter, spreading across continents and eventually leading to the peopling of the Americas. In conclusion, the Ice Age was a fascinating and transformative era in Earth's history, with profound impacts on the planet's climate, ecosystems, and human history. By studying the Ice Age, we can gain insights into the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth, as well as the delicate balance between climate and ecosystems. As we look to the future, it is important to remember the lessons of the past and to consider the implications of our actions on the planet's climate and ecosystems. The Ice Age may be over, but the legacy it left behind continues to shape our world today. Moreover, the study of the Ice Age has led to significant advancements in various scientific fields. Paleontologists have used fossil records to reconstruct the diets, behaviors, and evolutionary histories of the Ice Age's diverse fauna. Geologists have studied the sediment layers and glacial deposits to understand the Earth's past climate and geological processes. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of early human societies and their adaptations to the harsh Ice Age climate. The Ice Age also offers valuable insights into the potential impacts of future climate change. As we continue to alter our planet's climate through human activities, we can look to the Ice Age as a cautionary tale. The Ice Age demonstrated that even the most drastic changes in climate can be surmounted by life, but it also showed the devastating effect such changes can have on biodiversity and ecosystems. As we move forward, it is essential to consider the long-term consequences of our actions and to strive for a sustainable future. In the end, the Ice Age serves as a testament to the power of Earth's natural processes and the resilience of life. It was a time of profound change, marked by extremes of cold and warmth, the rise and fall of great ice sheets, and the evolution of diverse species. The Ice Age reminds us that our planet is not static, but dynamic, constantly changing and adapting. As we continue to explore and understand our past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the world we live in and the incredible journey of life on Earth. As we delve further into the Ice Age, let's consider some of the fascinating creatures that roamed this ancient world. The woolly mammoth, a massive elephant-like creature, was a dominant herbivore in the Ice Age. With its thick fur and long tusks, it was well equipped to survive in the harsh climate. The saber-toothed cat, a fearsome predator, had long, curved fangs that it used to take down prey. The ground sloth, a slow-moving herbivore, had elongated arms that it used to grab leaves and other vegetation. The Ice Age was also home to a diverse array of birds, including the giant condor, which had a wingspan of up to 10 feet. These birds scavenged carcasses left behind by predators, playing an important role in the ecosystem. In addition to the animals, the Ice Age was also a time of human evolution. Homo neanderthalensis, often referred to as Neanderthals, inhabited parts of Europe and Asia during the Ice Age. They were a robust, cold-adapted species that were skilled hunters and tool-makers. Homo sapiens, our own species, also emerged during the Ice Age, but it was Homo neanderthalensis that dominated the landscape for most of this period. The Ice Age was a fascinating era in Earth's history, one that offers valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. As we continue to study this ancient world, we gain a deeper understanding of our own history and the delicate balance between climate, ecosystems, and life. The Ice Age may be over, but its legacy continues to shape our world today.